Once upon a time, near to an old, huge mountain lived two giants. Our giant had a big house and a wife. They loved the forest, and when a human being came and hurt the nature, the giants were very angry. Once, the other giant heard that on the opposite side of the mountain another giant lived. So he went to our giant. But our giant saw him already, and he was smaller than the other one. He ran home and asked his wife,
"What can I do?" "Behave as if you were a baby. I will make a cake."
Where's your husband?
My husband is on the top of the mountain peeing. You can wait and help me. Please, split the stone and bring me some water.
The giant hit and hit, but he got just one bucket full of water.
This is all? My husband brought 10 buckets every evening. Okay, maybe you can feed our pet. You look very tired. Maybe you want some cake?
And she gave him a piece with stones. So the big giant lost one tooth.
You can't bring me water, you can't feed our pet, and you can't eat my cake. Even my baby can eat my cake.
Your baby?
Yes, look!
And she gave her husband the piece without stones. The big giant was surprised.
Can I feel the teeth from your baby? I want to know if the teeth are as strong as you say.
And he put his finger in the mouth, and the giant bit so strong that the big giant cried, ran home, and didn't come again.